Lanelle Melasma Kit is for even-toned, lighter, glowing, glass-like, and more beautiful facial skin. Lanelle Melasma Kit includes black soap, kojic soap, SPF collagen cream, bleaching cream, whitening toner. How to apply Lanelle Melasma Kit. Daytime. 1. Wash your face and neck using Lanelle kojic soap. Rinse well. Pat dry using clean soft cloth. 2. Apply Lanelle whitening toner, using cotton balls, all over your face and neck area. 3. Apply Lanelle SPF collagen cream generously all over your face and neck area. Nighttime. 1. Wash your face and neck using Lanelle black soap. Rinse well. Pat dry using clean soft cloth. 2. Apply Lanelle whitening toner, using cotton balls, all over your face and neck area. 3. Apply Lanelle bleaching cream on your dark spots if there are any. Do this until your dark spots lighten up and blends with your natural skin tone. For even skin-toned facial skin, apply Lanelle bleaching cream on your entire face. Follow Lanelle bleaching cream with the Lanelle moisturizer best suited for your skin type. This Lanelle Melasma Kit regimen must be done consistently. You will notice improvement on your skin in as fast as 3 days. Lanelle, beauty at its peak. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe now, and get regular beauty and wellness updates. You may also like our Facebook page Lanelle & Co. Follow us on Instagram and Twitter at Lanelle & Company. Check out our website at lanelleandco.com.